As you know, different products have different quality. Why is the flower coming out everywhere? So the internal part quality decides the whole quality. So we will go actual step to test and look at what inside the difference. Now we open the handle inside. You can see it's the motor, the car frame, the switch, and see what there inside is. You can see maybe it's the motor is similar size, and we can't see any difference at the moment. But you can see the car frame. There's our white is our quality. You can see it's much larger than the black one. Because at the moment we don't have any tool to break up the motor inside, but we have one way to test the two motors have different. We will pull the cable directly from the motor. Let's try it. You can see it's quickly and easy to pull out the cable from the motor. Let's try ours. Try harder. It's not able to pull it out directly. Because they use the cable, the material is some problem, while ours cable use heavy quality. So it's no matter how strong you put the strength, it's not able to pull out the cable from the motor. Now we have to take pliers to cut it down, and we will measure to and you can see the motor size is very similar. We have to weight the weight to see if we have some quality difference. The weight of the motor is 49 grams. I can feel obviously our motor is a little heavier. Let's check the data. You can see it's 67 grams.